Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And today is the Forex Trading Plan Euro Market 2022, April the 29th. This is the last day of the month. All right, so last day of the trading month in April. So yes, again that this month I've seen that there are many of you are actually performing very well. Okay, so congratulations. So I hope you can, review back this month what kind of emotions you have, as well as how do you trade, what kind of entry do you have, and I guess that will be so much a morale booster for next month, which is next week. Okay, yeah, just a gentle reminder, right? For number one, for those who are new to my channel, remember to click on the like, subscribe, and ring up the bell, right, to stay updated with my channel, so that I will be posting my video weekly and also going live daily, right, for all of us here to trade forex with a plan, with a direction, so that we are clear about what we are doing each day, right? So next thing is that in this next week we are having a Labor Day. So Labor Day, it's an international holiday, so volume is going to be very, very low. So just avoid trading, all right? So yeah, Monday I won't be coming for this analysis, all right? So going on for the Tuesday, right? So next Tuesday I will be back here again. Well, as you can see, as a forex trader, we tend to have a lot of holidays, including the international holiday and individual countries holiday as well. Well, of course, in Singapore, we don't really have a lot of holidays, so you will still see me very frequently, huh? Okay, so yes, coming back here in Forex Trading Plan today, what we're going to look out for, right? Hi Hubert, hi CK, hi Bradley, hi Eden, and hi Ada was asking how you know EURCAD can short so much. Well, according to the reading, we just need to react accordingly, right? So that it will be a great help. Okay. All right. So once again, yeah. Once again over here. So quickly jump into it. Hi Flora, Carol, right? Carol, right? Nice to see you here. All right. Yesterday was a good day. Congratulations. Yes, okay, so we have quite a few of you online here have actually consulted me, and over on this trading for the past few months that we are actually having a forex chat with me session that to actually structure your trading patterns. Am I right? So in this case, over here, right, I believe many of you have already got your structure, right? Have already got your structure, and also this structure, I know all of you are working very hard on it. So yes, just stay put with your structure, all right? Especially like Carol, yeah, you have now you have built up a 4-in-1 structure, correct? Okay, that's a very good improvement. Okay, your 4-in-1 structure, now you are on the 71 trades. Very good. Okay, you have traded 71, so you have another 29 to go. Okay, so yes, okay, right. All right, so okay, good. Nice. You have Hubert to help you along. Okay, that's good. Hubert, thank you so much. All right, and Roger, yes, nice to see you here, Roger. Yeah. I'm building on my second 2-in-1. Oh, I see, 2-in-1. All right, okay, that's good. That's also very good. You're at the 2-in-1 stage. Very good. Okay. So yeah, this is the month. All right. So we will skip this topic first. Okay, this topic we'll leave it later on of the day when I go live with all of you guys again. Okay, right? So of course, the second part of my live session is only for certain groups of people. Okay, so I won't be going live in this YouTube. All right. Okay, so yes, once again, okay, now let's go into our Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD. All right. Now I have 8 screens in front of me to maneuver. So guys, if I go the wrong one, just bear with me, all right? Okay, so yeah, let's go. Okay, right, so in Aussie CAD over here today, what we are looking at Aussie CAD, Aussie CAD over here. Okay, so what? I hope you can hear me clearly, huh? All right. Okay, so yeah, let me align a little bit, okay, because this microphone is something, yeah, is okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, my hair look very messy, huh? Okay, right. Is it? And yeah, okay. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so yeah, over here, as you can see right now in Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD over here. Okay, of course, with all these lines, yesterday actually we are having a night session. Okay, in a Mandarin. So basically, yeah, I'm doing. Okay, let me clear this off so that we can get a better picture of that. All right, so Aussie CAD over here, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, we are in the bear market, but yesterday was having a very nice drop. Okay, but today seems like they are recovering the losses that are actually coming into the situation of a retracement. So it's coming for a retracement. Will there be a chance to sell? I would say that I think better not to. Okay, we just stay put. Okay, stay away from this. All right, so what's next here in Aussie franc? Aussie franc over here. All right, Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc, as we can see in the trend, we are also having a retracement. Skip. All right, skip. Will there be a chance that it will continue the selling like yesterday when it hits on the resistance? Well, the retracement is going to hit on the retracement over here. Okay, as you can see, previous support. There's a lot of support level that will become a resistance level over here. So there may be a chance that the retracement will end at this level. So that will end at this level, and this level, okay, very likely, okay, highly possible that this may have stopped here and start to retrace downwards. Okay, so yeah, it's very, very possible. But then again, is that we are, even if it's retracing downwards, it's also the end of the retracement, and now it's trying to fight against the buying volume. So in that case, you are going to have a lot of hard time, okay, to trade a selling order. Okay, so I'll just give this a miss as well. So how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen. Aussie yen, definitely no, because it's still very firm about the directions that it's going for a bull after testing on the support here. Can you see? Okay, so it's kind of going for a bull run again. So no, just stay away. All right. So how about Aussie Kiwi? Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie Kiwi is still in the bull. We are finally heading to our bear zone. Okay, it's heading to our bear zone over here. So that's why even there are times that there are people, no, not people, sorry. There are times that we are looking at this Aussie CAD, Aussie franc. Oh, Aussie CAD is going to the bear, so Aussie is weak. Does that mean that all the rest of the Aussie in other groups and in the same group will be going for the selling? No, not necessary. Okay, so in this case, we just need to take a look. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Right, so Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull, so no for buying and selling, because buying we are very near to the resistance, so no way. All right, so how about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, we are in the bear market today. Yes, sorry, we are in the bear market today. So after the bear market, we are having a retracement today. This retracement is going to erase all the losses and fighting back what have been lost, have been losing for the past few days. So no, today is going to be very fierce fight. So avoid all the Aussie today. So does that mean that Euro Aussie, I will have a chance to sell? Yes, very likely. For the past few days, we have already been talking about that. Euro Aussie is actually having a retesting, correct? A retesting. 3 days ago, we are talking about this. We're having a retesting, and yes, indeed, it is now coming back of a retesting. All right, man, Eric, you are so accurate. Okay, give myself a credit. Okay, so yes, okay, so that is something that we should be reading. Okay, we should be reading according to the chart. Okay, so that is how that we are actually should be looking at this. Okay, then we should also read how it should go. All right. Okay, so this is so nice that we can see how the chart move, and really come into the plan and into the direction that we want it to be, so that we can't control the market, but at least we can read the market, and that is is already a good help. Okay, right. So guys, let's move on again. So Euro Aussie, how are we going to do? Okay, retesting the market. So let's look out for the support. Okay, support. Of course, there's very obvious that we are still on the spot, same support, no change. Why is that so? It's because over here from this part, this round, the support here, it become a resistance, and now the resistance breaks. It has retested once over here, okay, as you can see, and now it come back again. So this time around it comes back again. Okay, I will need to do one thing, is that, okay, I want to see if it's this retesting of the support. This is a kind of retesting. This retesting of the support, will it form a support on the support? Will it form a buying signal on the support? If the buying signal come from on the support, it's very dangerous to sell. No more selling. Okay, but of course, by looking out for the whole trend, like Roger was pointing out, over here we have a lower resistance, come back, lower resistance, then the lower resistance will be creating to break the support. So there will still a good chance that this is going to break. All right, so since there's a trending market over here, then let's look out for a support become a resistance. As you can see, when there's a trending market, they're about to have a support, tested, break, and then become resistant. Correct? Very obvious, this is a resistance. So the next one to go is over here, the purple line, around the purple line here. So this area of resistance. So let's wait for it to retrace upwards again. Okay, then if it's not breaking and forming a trending market once again, then it will have a good chance to break. And this breaking, okay, from here to here, it will about 58 pips. Wow, fantastic. Okay, so let's wait for it to happen. So in this case, as you can see, it's very obvious in H1. H1 hits on, it goes back and coming lower resistance once again to break, to test the resistance, wanted to break this. Wanted to break this support. Okay, so right now, okay, we are heading downwards. Okay, we are heading downwards. And now, if it breaks this support, I can tell you we have really good space to go before we hit onto the bull zone. Okay, which is about 50 pips, 50. All right. Okay, so yep. Okay, I'm going to put this. I'm going to put selling of this Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie. Okay. All right, Euro Aussie. Okay. How about EURCAD over here? EURCAD. Yes, EURCAD over here. Yes, EURCAD. Now I'm going to answer Aiden's your questions. How do you know EURCAD can short so much? As we can see yesterday, we have already formed up a falling pattern, which is also a selling trending market. But it has already stopped. The trending market has stopped somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so over here, somewhere over here, it has formed a new resistance. Okay, it has met up with this resistance that it cannot break the pattern of the trending. So continue the selling. So like I said yesterday, if there's another retracement, okay, the day before, right, and yesterday it comes back to the prevailing bear trend. So when it comes back to the prevailing bear trend, make sure it breaks the support as we mentioned yesterday. Okay, and then we can continue the selling. Well, I think that really works, and it comes to the plan. It's not that I can predict the future, Roger. Okay, Roger, I don't predict the future, but I just have a plan on each of the currency. If the currency really moves in accordance to my plan, then I will start to trade. Okay, that's the concept. It's a very simple concept, but a lot of people don't understand and they don't know how to apply. Okay, so yeah. So EURCAD today, are we going to continue the selling again? Yes, I would say that, well, I think it looks good to sell. Okay, anyway, yes, we are still in the bear trend. Okay, so we got to find out where is the support level again. Okay, where's the support level again, so that so that I can trade, so that I can find out, is there any more space for me to continue the selling? If not, no. Okay. Right. So right now we are basically on the support already. Right now over here. Is that so? Oh no. So sorry. Okay. Right now, yes, we are on the support. Okay, we are on the support. Can you see? Okay, it's quite far away. All right, from here, the support, it breaks, comes back again, tested again. Okay, so around here, yeah. So right now we are on the support. Right now we are on the support. So it is not very not very optimistic yet. So as you can see right now, okay, from here, okay, from here we are very near to the support, so we are very far from the resistance. So let's look at the support we'll do. So in this case, over here, I want to break the support. Okay, EURCAD, I want to break the support. This is my plan. Okay, the chart must break the support. Okay, and after that, forming a new resistance below, then I start selling. Okay. Alternatively, you have to give up because today it may be another building up of the retracement day all the way up here. Then you will start to sell again. So this is quite this kind of chart is quite a double-edged sword. So please be careful. Okay. So EURCAD, I want to sell, but if I want to sell, I want to make sure I break the support, then I can sell. Breaks the support. Okay, breaks the support first. Then after breaking the support, then I will see if I have a new resistance below, then I start selling. Okay. All right. So for EURCAD, I'm going to put this into my list since it's bear zone. Okay. So I have a good chance to sell. All right. So same as usual, I'm going to skip EUROPAUD right now. Okay. So how about Euro Yen? Okay, Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen. Okay. Euro Yen. You're asking me whether I get a chance to sell. Okay. Tentatively, as we can see, no way. Correct, because we are being supported by the traders and of the moving support here. Okay, so over here they have tested the moving support and it's not breaking down at all, and it still continue the bull. So right now, can I just get a chance to sell at this period of time? I tell you, don't try this kind of luck. Okay, this is a gambler style. Never try. Some people may think that it's a professional trader style, but which is not. Okay, which is not true. All right, so now let's skip. Okay, so Euro Yen, is it good to buy? No, I don't see the point to buy because right now we are still in the it retraced downwards a little bit into the resistance, but doesn't seem like it has a chance to sell. Okay, but buying is coming, but not yet. Okay, so I will prefer not to. Okay. I prefer not to. So just stay away in this session first. Maybe the second half, the second half of the session, which is the next 4 hours. Okay. All right. So Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi, we are in the bear, correct? We're in the bear trend, retrace upwards. As usual, like the last time I was saying that. Okay, a few days ago, I was saying that this part here, okay, this part here, it is actually going for a break of this transition area back to the bull. So it seems like it's not going out of the bull door, going out the door to the bull market, and it's coming back for a retracement. Am I right? Okay, so now retracement coming back here is a retesting. So it's going to retest the support level over here. However, please be very tactful and careful because as you can see, we have higher support, and now is another round of higher support here, but struggling around the resistance level. Correct? It's struggling around the resistance level. So it's kind of difficult for us right now. Okay. However, will we still get a chance to sell? Okay, I would say that yes, we do. All right, we do have a chance to sell. Okay, so because the bull zone is actually still right at the bottom. We are in the whole general reading of this trend. This is still in the bear. It will still go up and down. It goes up. Maybe it will still come down in another next 1 or 2 months. Okay, so this is still quite very optimistic sell. However, we must find the correct point to sell. Okay, so since that's the case, today we are going to see that it is not going out of the bull, okay, into the bull. So now we are coming back. We are still remaining in the bear. So right here, right now, okay, in this area, let's look out for the resistance and the support. Support no change. Okay, we are still having the same support, and the resistance level over here, retesting, it went up again. Now let's see what do we have here. Okay, so over at this point here, the resistance. Okay, yeah, check. Yes, the resistance is still okay over here. So right here, the resistance has already touched us and already started to push down, correct? Okay, so in H1, the new cycle has already started running. So all we can look out for is the next one, the next round is over here. Will the support has break and now it's moving in the resistance to sell, which is a selling opportunity right now. So in this case, this part here, as you can see, support, tested, break, and then this will be the resistance. So let's be a little bit patient to wait for it to hit on the resistance level. Okay, then we start selling. Okay, so Euro Kiwi, we actually have a chance to sell. Right? Okay, so we have a good chance to sell for Euro Kiwi. So in that's the case, I'm going to put Euro Kiwi into my watch list. Okay. All right. So next to go. Okay. Euro dollar. All right. Euro dollar. Right. Euro dollar over here. As we can see, okay, Euro dollar, we are in the bear market right now. We are in the bear. So the bear is actually traveling nicely downwards, okay, in the trending manner. So in the trending manner, I think this is still a good one in the bear market right now with a retracement today. So today with a retracement, shall we continue the selling? Will there be a chance to sell? I will say that yes, we do have a chance to sell. So let's check out where is the resistance. So over here, there's one of these point whereby you can see from this part selling downwards, lower resistance, and now we have a resistance here. Okay, that's for Euro dollar. Well, I think probably this is only about 30 over pips. Well, I think if it has a big push, probably in within an hours it can reach this. It can reach this resistance. Reach this resistance without breaking, then we may have a chance to sell. Okay. But the support level also very near. Okay, so let's look out. Let's be very tactful as we are trading with this Euro dollar. Okay, we have about 80 pips to go, but please be very careful because this is a retracement trading. So for people who know how to trade retracement, okay, by all means you can go ahead. If not, just give it a miss. Okay, just give it a miss. All right, so I will be looking out for this. Sorry, I won't be putting in Euro dollar. Okay, because it's not very safe for me. Okay, so there may be a chance, but it's all retracement trading, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, right. So Pound Aussie, same thing. Pound Aussie is coming back for retesting. So the retesting, okay, we are going downwards. And now let's look at this. We have a resistance here. Okay, so let's check. Am I right? Okay. So support, yes, over here, this is the support level. So Pound Aussie, we still have a chance to go. After this, we have another resistance here. As you can see, support, tested, breaks. So this previous support has become a resistance. So how to identify this support that become a resistance? All right, so just bear in mind that just stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, and all this information I will be recorded as a video for your reference. Okay, so next to go. So for how Aussie am I looking out for selling? Yes, but be very, 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 very patient in the way that you got to meet up with this resistance. Okay, then we can start selling. Okay, so it's actually very near to us. So just pay a little bit of a patience, 18 pips away without breaking, then we start selling. Okay, let me take a look at M5. M5, yep. M5 is where I'm going to zoom in the time frame to take a look. Okay, to see how it goes. All right, so M5 is now having a trending, as you can see right now. It hits on the white line here. With the white line, if you read the chart carefully, you can see the white line is always pointing to one of the support or one of the resistance that it's going to give you very obvious, how do I say, signal then where is the resistance and where's the support. Okay, so just be patient for it to touch the resistance again, then we start selling. All right. Pound Aussie, so will it be good to sell today? Yeah, I will put Pound Aussie into my list. Well, today look like there's a lot of minor currency pairs. The major one actually not is looks like all the major one we are avoiding it. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD today we're merely out of the bull. Okay, so we are into the bull. So Pound CAD finally entering into our bull. All right, so we got to be very careful right now. We have been selling Pound CAD for since February until today. We have collected wonderful profits from Pound CAD. This is I'm going to take one minute to no, not 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer these questions. There are people who actually ask me in my YouTube channel, and do you only like what are the currency pairs do you normally trade, or do you like trade a certain currency pairs? Actually, no. Okay, because I believe you see some of my posting that I actually take profits from certain currency pair like that since the last 2 months, and so you are thinking that why just focus on trading on Pound CAD? Is there a specific trading strategy just for Pound CAD? Actually, no. Okay, my strategy over here can be general. Okay, in all the forex currency. So it is kind of something that over here. Okay, it is something that we are looking out for. All right, so this is something that I just want to pay attention. I just want to pay attention to how it moves. When you go into the bear market, I will start trading. I will stay focused in that particular currency pair so that I will not lose focus. Okay, all right. So yeah, in my forex trading plan daily, I will always point out which are the currency pairs is still in the bear, and I'm going to focus. As you can see, sometimes today again Pound CAD, tomorrow again Pound CAD, the day after, the one whole week, the next 2 weeks again Pound CAD. What else can you say? What other things can you say? You have nothing to say. I'm going to stay away from you. I'm not going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, that's not really the case. Okay, anyway, so the key is that once I have identified one of the currency pair that actually go into the bear, I will focus to trade and grab as much profit as possible in the whole cycle. Like example, from here all the way down to here. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I have nothing new. Doesn't mean that I only focus on certain currency pairs. Okay, all right. So stay put with this channel. Remember to subscribe, because this week with my weekly posting. Okay, I want to review back my journal. Okay, I will be talking about this topic. All right, guys. Okay, so I was telling you why I always stay in certain currency pairs, right, for a certain period of time. Okay, so next Pound CAD, can I go for a selling? I would prefer not to, because today it's going to be it looks like it's going to be a very strong retracement. So because it went through my bull, so right now there may be a chance that it's going to retrace upward to become a bull market. Then that will become a retracement and become a reversal. Okay, so this is something that we have to be very careful. All right. Okay, so next to go. So Pound CAD, I'm going to give it a miss. Yes, although it's in the bear, but I'm going to give it a miss today. Right, how about Pound franc? Pound franc, I think it's very obvious that I'm going to give this a miss, because it's also hitting on my bull zone and is to retrace. Starting to retrace. So I'm a seller. Since I'm a seller, so it's retracing upwards as a buy, then I'm not going to do anything to it. Okay, all right. So just stay away. Okay, all right. So Pound yen, yes, Pound yen. Now we are having another support. Can you see we hit on the support here? After hitting on the support, and now it's continued a bullish run. Okay, so it has been the bull. For the last week, a lot of people are telling me, oh yes, the pound is coming back. You know, or I would say, yeah, maybe. it's not into the bear. Okay, it's not very obvious yet, so just be very careful. Now it's going to reverse back to take back all the all these losses. So I guess we are still in the bull. Okay, so not very sure about buying or selling. I'm going to stay away. Okay, right. So right now, pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. This is the point. Okay, this is the point where I plotted out where this is actually into the door opening into the bull market. So you see, can you see? I'm now we have been selling pound kiwi as self. Okay, we have been selling pound kiwi as well for the past few months, last 2 months over here, and it's struggling these few weeks. Okay, we are for the 1 whole month of April is struggling for a reversal, correct, into the bull market. So did you realize that pound kiwi? I stopped talking about it. Last 2 months I was like, oh, pound kiwi, yes, pound kiwi, and then after that now, no, yeah, no, yeah, okay. So in this stage, this is the making of the reversal. So it's going to be kind of a confusing. So stay away as well. Okay, pound kiwi today, I'm going to stay away. All right, so how about pound dollar? Pound dollar once again, let's see. Pound dollar, we are in the bear market, but today we are experiencing a retracement. So the pullback is coming. So where is the support? The support, very obvious, is still here. Okay, next thing to go is that, hi Mandy, nice to see you here. All right, Mandy, yes. Okay, so now we are retracing upwards now. As we can see, it's in the trending market. So pound dollar, we have a chance to sell today, but this is a retracement trading. So please be very careful. If you are good at retracement trading, then go ahead. If not, then just stay away. All right. Okay, so either you go ahead or you stay away. Very straightforward. So for people who are good with retracement trading over here, once H4, okay, we have touches, we have tested the resistance over here. Like example, H1, it went up, pierced through, okay, so then come back again. So that is called a testing. So the testing comes back and close the candle with another opening candle, forming a resistance below the resistance. Okay, below the resistance, which is actually here, okay, to be exact, should be here. Okay, should be here, this point here. Okay, so once it hits here and it's not breaking, forming a resistance on or below this resistance level, yes, this is a retracement trading. You know what to do. Scalp it. Okay, 5 and go. All right. Okay, so that's how the pound dollar will go with a retracement trading. So since it's a retracement, I'm not going to touch it. For people who are good, you can continue to do it. All right. Okay. Right. So yes, we have achieved quite a good profit for this 1 whole month. Okay. With the analysis here. Okay, I have my guys do up the report. We have hit almost a 92%. Okay, 92%. Okay, so thank you for your support once again. All right, so they just show me with a big marker white paper behind the camera. come into the camera, please. Okay, so dollar CAD over here. Okay, so again, once again, dollar CAD, as you can see, it has pushes into my my bear zone here. So the bear zone over here, as you can see, it meet up with a resistance. This area of resistance is a very strong resistance. So now it's coming back again. So now, dollar CAD, do we have a chance to sell? Right now, okay, it has from the bear, it went in and out a few times. This is a kind of very big, I would say there's a very big sideway. Okay, so the trend is moving within the zone here. So I think it's quite easy to trade in a way. Okay, so as you can see, we avoided kind of AU, euro dollar, pound dollar, because dollar is weakening, correct? Dollar is weakening. So today, let's take a look. Okay, so if we want to sell this dollar CAD, okay, we are coming in. Okay, so let's check. It's good that we see that's now trending downwards. Okay, coming in to the bear. So we have support over here, very big space. So over here, what I'm going to look out for is all the little support. There's one here. Okay, there's one over here. So we are very near. So about 12 pips. But this is not really a support over here yet. As we can see, this is the main one. Okay, this is the main support I will be looking out for. So we have about 60 pips. 60. Okay, 60. So all right. I think it's very obvious that we are going to wait for a new retracement, okay, a pullback, and form a new resistance, a new cycle to sell in each one. Okay, so this is something that we are going to take a look at. Okay, so dollar CAD, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, so you see if we are selling in one direction, for the front part of my analysis, I get all the minor pair. But if you can see now coming to the major pair, I also have a major pair to trade as well. So dollar franc, I will not touch it because it's now on the bullish run. The bear is not in yet. Okay, so stay away for seller. Buyers also stay away because today is a retracement. Okay, so let's move again. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen over here. Dollar yen, we are still in the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull running into the moon. Okay, we are in the bull running into the moon. So let's see, the bull will jump over the moon. Okay, so no, I'm going to stay away. For me as a seller, it's still in the bull. For the seller, for the buyer, if you're going to buy, I guess today is a pullback as well. There's some pullbacks, retracement. So it's not really a very advisable. Okay, so just stay away. Okay, so Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin over here. Well, yesterday, I guess some of you managed to capture a small profit. Am I right? Riano was telling me you hit a 41.56. 41.56 and you exit the trade. Okay, that's a profit. Okay, that's good. So okay, I collected about a 700. Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, 700. 700 in terms of the differences of the price, right? Okay, that's good. All right. So I can see your smile. Okay, so yeah. So today, as we can see that this part here, we are still testing a lot on the support. We are still looking out for the main support in the Bitcoin before it actually rocket up. Okay. Guys, today is the 29th of April. Although I'm not going to make as usual, as always, you know that I don't like to make any assumption, because assumption always, is coming from the word of assume. Assume, the meaning of assume is making an ass out of you and me. Am I right? Okay, but for this Bitcoin, okay, I'm going to see that this is going to rocket. Okay, there's a point that Bitcoin is going to rocket. Okay, rocket up. So just take note. Okay, just take note. The Bitcoin, look out for the lowest point to buy in. Okay, lowest point. There's no lowest point in trading in any investment, but any lower of the comfortable price that you are intended to. Like example, I plot it out in the way here. Okay, here, this point. Okay, this is my point, and it's about 35. Sorry, it's about 38.5. Right, it's about 38.5. So this 38.5 is my point that I'm going to. Is this 38.5? Oh no, I'm so sorry. It should be. Oh yeah, it should be 37. No, it should be about 37.5. Yeah, it's about 37.5. Yes. Okay, it's about 37.5. So after 37.5, once it hits again, if it's not breaking, okay, this, to me, I'm looking at this 37.5 to actually have a rocket. Okay, so this is a point, all right. So this is my personal opinion. Okay, so just take it as a reference. Okay, all right. So I guess this should be quite okay. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Be patient to wait for it. Don't sell it now because I say that the point is that okay. Okay, so I guess this is something that we should be a bit careful with this. Okay, all right. Okay, so right now let's take a look. What do we have here? Okay, in our trading here. Okay, what do we have? I'm serious about your BTC. Okay. Oh, come on, please. This is only my personal point of view. Okay, but personally, I really see that point. Okay, yeah, Aiden. Okay, so we are going to sell Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro Kiwi, pound Aussie, and dollar CAD. That's all. Okay. All right. Okay. So I guess that's about all. So I hope all of you will have a great trading day. The great trading last day of this April. Wish you good luck with bountiful profits. And remember to stay on, stay subscribed, and also remember to click on the YouTube tomorrow to see my weekly video, tell you and to remind you what other things apart from analysis that we have to pay attention to become a better trader. All right. Okay, so this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I wish you good luck and bountiful of profit. So I shall see you again. All right. Good luck and see you next Tuesday. Happy weekend and also happy holiday. See you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub.